Hello, good day to you. Today, in my demonstration of Openstack Administration, I'm making this video basically to show the creation of external network. In my previous video, where I did the creation of external network, I had some issues. So I'm making this video to show the different method that I used that worked. Just to clarify I think the procedure. The previous video was the one I labeled part 2, or basic OpenStack administration part 2. So in this video, I'm just going to be focusing on creation of external network. So let's log in. The method is slightly different. So I still have my internal network. So I'm just going to do external network now. So see, I still have my internal network. So to create the external network, actually, I'll go under admin. So this is the under the admin tab. I'll go to networks. So creation of external network is administrative task. It can only be done by the administrator. So that is why you have it under admin, and so that is what I'm going to do now. So I'll go to create. So under create, I put the name ESTnet. The project, we'll select the project here. My project is admin. So this is the important part, actually, the provider network type. So the network type has to be flat. Has to be flat, because since I don't have, and I'm guessing a lot of people don't have like VLANs on their Wi-Fi, so it has to be the flat type. So the default network, the physical network, actually, the physical network that we created was ESTnet. So if you remember during the installation, if you have followed this video, the physical network name is ESTnet. So the segmentation ID, if you click on help, so basically it's an identification for things like VLAN, VXLAN, but I think from my experience, you can just put any number. So another thing that is important is the external network. Check the external network box and click submit. So that is it. So this method is slightly different from what I did earlier. So after doing this, then I can go back to under my project. Actually, go back under my project, then go to networks. Let's wait. Yeah. So under the project, I see this network now, the EST. It is an external network. So under this drop down, I will click on add subnet. So now I can add the subnet. I call it the external subnet. The network address is the address of your Wi-Fi. So it must match exactly your home on office Wi-Fi. And also the gateway is also very important. Yeah, the gateway. So click next. Okay, sorry about that. My network address was not correct. So now, also disable DHCP, then put the allocation, the pool that wants to give to, this particular network. So that is the allocation pool, and we'll put the DNS, then we'll click on create. So this is the method that I use now, which worked. So let me go to the compute and create an instance so that we can test. So create an instance, launch an instance. Let's call it, let me just call it demo. Next, select from image the image that I want to use. Let me just use the Cirrus image. Click next. The flavor M1 tiny. It's fine. Next, the network. Here we have to select the private network. So I think that is all I want to do here. Click on launch instance. Wait for it to launch. Then we associate the floating IP. See, associate floating IP. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, maybe this is actually good that I am able to show you this. So you see, when I try to associate my floating IP, I got some kind of message that no port available. There is no port available. So I'm even glad I ran into this this issue. It is not an issue actually. It is an error, a mistake on my part. So let me cancel that. That happened because I have not set my gateway on my router. So I have to set gateway and I have to select the external network, submit. Let's wait for it. So now let's go back to the compute. So if I try to associate the external, associate the floating IP now, so you see now it's a port. Now I see, there's a particular network here, which is a particular port here is already populated. So although I don't have any floating IP, I will, allocate a floating IP. Allocate IP and associate. So this is my new floating IP. So the moment of truth is, pinging this floating IP. So let's go to the first. Let me check to make sure that I have the security group set up correctly. Click on manage rules. Okay, I have ICMP. So let me go to my terminal and do ping on this IP address. It is 10.20.20.3. Yeah, so you see I am able to ping this IP from an external source. So I think that is what I want to show you quickly. And if you are if maybe you have a problem concerning you still have a problem concerning pinging your floating IP, let me know. Actually, let me know so that I have some other things that maybe the cause of the problem that I can share with you. So but for now, I think this is what I want to show you. I think the most important difference in what I did earlier before was when I created when we did create the network, the network type the network type should be flat for the external network. So that is, I think that's what caused my issue for me. So yeah, that is what I want to show you briefly in this video. So let me see your comment, and thank you for watching. Bye.